So what's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to connect Google Home to an iPhone or an iPad. So firstly, make sure your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want Google Home to use. Plug in your Google Home smart speaker and wait for it to boot up. Now download Google Home on App Store and open the app and allow the access to Bluetooth and local network, then tap Get Started. Confirm your Google account or tap Use another account to log in, then tap I agree to accept the terms. If prompt, select your home from the list. If this is your first time, tap Create Home, then enter a name for your home. Enter your address, then tap Next. Tap Devices, add Google Nest or partner device, then select your home and tap Next. The app will search for your Google Home device. Once found, tap Next and you'll hear a sound from the device to confirm it's the correct one. Just tap Yes. Agree to the terms and you may see a prompt about improving Google Home. Just say no thanks. Select Wi-Fi, enter the password, connect, and now you can manage your Google Home device directly from your iPhone or iPad. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.